Hello to everyone watching. This is your host, Bitcoin Guide. I am presenting the Bitcoin chart analysis for this May 19th, and I have prepared a new long position trading strategy for you. Bitcoin has been declining along with the Nasdaq over the weekend and last week, so today is quite important. I'd appreciate it if we could all pay close attention. This is a long position strategy, but please consider it as a strategy for two scenarios. Whether it touches the 77.5K level at the purple finger, number 1 zone at the top first, or whether it drops immediately without touching it. After confirming a touch on the purple finger, number 1 zone at the top, this is the discretionary short position entry zone. After confirming the 77.5K touch, the red finger at the bottom indicates the 76.5K long position entry zone, and the stop loss is if it breaks the green support line. The 78.3K top zone is the first target for the long position, followed by the targets in order up to the maximum optimal gap fill zone. If it drops directly without touching section 1, the 75.7K long position entry zone is in section 2 at the bottom, and the stop loss is if it breaks the light blue support line. Afterward, the target price for section 1 at the top is 78.3. We are looking at Gap 10 and the so-called good zone as our primary targets in that specific order. Given the current market behavior, it seems significantly more probable that it will drop first, so I would strongly suggest that we focus our attention on whether it hits the number 1 mark or simply drops away immediately. Should the price break down below that sky blue support line during today's session, you really need to exercise a great deal of caution because the lower section down at the 75,000 level is wide open. Looking at the daily Bollinger Band chart, both the second section at 75.7 thousand and that bottom section at 75,000 serve as major support lines. Please note that section 2, the bottom zone, acts as a major rebound area, continuing up to the point where it hits the maximum level as determined by the daily Bollinger Band support line before it eventually pulls back. Please trade based on your principles and always use stop losses to stay safe. Subscribe and hit the like button to get the latest updates as quickly as possible every day. Thank you for watching.